Who were you with
Brazil.
on Thursday?
I did. Can I say this before? May answer your question. I had no. Listen. I had no with anybody on Wednesday.
Sorry, yes, Wednesday. You keep saying Thursday.
I don't know. Thursday. I had no with anybody on Wednesday. Never had no sex. I was talking to somebody on Wednesday. We did not have any sex. Many person never had sex. I don't know why you keep saying that my panty did this and that and that. I was talking to somebody on Wednesday.
May I ask you who with you now?
But I don't want to say who with.
Are you better say who with?
Why?
No,
I don't want to.
That is where we are at.
No, but I don't want to get the person involved.
No, the person
all right, listen to me. We don't have no sex to the person as somebody we are basically look me then. But I don't want to say who the person
May I ask you who? Me or your husband? Nobody never can tell me this a road yet. So if you have private life, like when Lika tell you say you have your private life, I may have mine. Remember me tell you this now.
Can I say this?
Okay.
Can I say this? It's not a private life I have. I don't have a private life. Look here. This is somebody. Just hear me out now. We never have this. We just meet up the Wednesday, but we never have any.
Where did you meet the Wednesday? Remember say we around who with you now? You look for me good, Navlet, because you really take me for a fool. And be careful.
Listen to me. Listen, just hear me now. Just hear me out. I don't want, listen. Just hear me what I'm saying. I did not talk to the person. Look here, we just meet up, had a conversation, was just chatting. I do not want to say who the person
Me
is.
not ask you that you have passed that long time.
I don't want to say who the person
now let you better say who this is.
Why? Why?
Because your husband at this time knows and has asked you a direct question.
No, but me I say why me I fi say who?
Yeah, because tell me a who.
But why?
Because
why
me ask.
Can't we leave out the
No, we're
person's
not
name?
leaving
Why?
up. No, we're not leaving nothing. A full disclosure. This is truth. This
But
is
why?
truth.
As somebody we are look, me not ask you this. Somebody.
Me never look here. Who is this person?
Chat.
Who is this person?
I don't want to say so.
Navlet?
Me don't want to get this somebody involved.
How if you get him involved? Have I gone to? Did me go to any other man that you ever talked to?
No, but I'm saying I don't want to say who it is.
Navlet?
With the person, we just talking in like me, and we just talking.
Navlet.
Nothing wrong with that. Me not.
In like you have a husband, you have a family. At your yard, you claim so you make effort to change your life, to keep your husband, and you will do anything. But you have a man now will make you not relate to your husband according to you.
No, it's not to relate to my husband. Come here, don't say that. Because you are saying that me have a man now when I relate to me. Look here.
Anyway, we are digress.
No, let me say this. You came, I say, when that was Wednesday, and you come to me Thursday. I'm sure we had Friday, Saturday, Sunday, or Saturday and Sunday we had a week there.
No. Never since yesterday.
No, no, you can't tell me that.
What can I tell you?
Look here, listen to me now. Me, I tell you.
From the Thursday, no.
From the Thursday, then I'm talking before.
But you never know that me tell you that.
No, before the Wednesday.
Anyway, the point Thursday. Is we're gone beyond the point. I mean, ask you who.
But I said I don't want to tell you.
We're not get. We can't.
I don't want to tell
no,
you.
we are not going to be there. It's either you face up or we do differently. It's a serious argument, you know. Miss your car maybe. And we sit down with each other.
No, but why no, hear me out. Why I have to say it was who?
Because I have asked.
Why?
Because I have asked.
So alright. If it is a case where
now, but you sat there and you're lying. You want me to build trust in you.
But listen
you're lying and you're lying and you know so you know.
Listen to me. Can I say this? Let me say this.
Anyway, make up your mind now because this is the life we are making, right?
Jesus.
This is the life
hear me?
that we are
you're
making.
Not hearing me.
Oh, talk, please.
I am saying to you, if this is a person we're interested in me and me I talk to the person. No, it don't reach nowhere yet.
I mean, no know. I mean,
I am
ask
telling
that.
you, it not reach anywhere
So
yet.
fine, what we can do is stop so you can go read somewhere with him. That's all.
No,
That's. Oh, you mean this Jesus?
Hear this story.
May
now?
ask you a straight up
No,
question.
but
Who
let me
and where
but
with?
let
There
me
is no
explain.
explanation.
Let me explain to you first before me go to anybody if you get anybody involved in this. Because the person is not aware and involved in this.
I don't understand what I mean.
Alright, let me say this. The person not even aware so we have problem, Graham.
I am not asking that.
Good. So let me say this to you. This is a person, me not say it. This is a person who have, I know somebody will buck up long time or anything. Person like me, and I was talking to the person on Wednesday. We did not have a sexual relationship. Well, we don't have a sexual relationship. I just talk to, like, and talk. No, I am saying to you, if this is something that can do away with, I just talk. Why do I have...
So what prevents you from saying, since I just talk, what prevents you from saying who and where? Why me I struggle with my wife, who claims that she want a relationship with me, who she not involved with no man and never have seen him, but she refuse to protect him and live with him?
I know, listen to me now.
It's a simple thing.
No, hear me. Hear me out. I do not... You have to understand.
Me now,
Just
don't
hear
tell me
me
to
now.
understand.
You have to understand.
Don't
Listen to
tell me.
Jesus God. If we are having a discussion, hear my point of view now.
Okay.
I do not want this person to become involved.
How we now become involved?
But me no want to tell you who.
I want to know
find out who. I mean, I really want you to know.
So you prefer me find out who?
No, I can tell you is who, but I
so
don't
want. No, so we want to know. No. I mean, I beg you none of it. I mean, I go say it one more time. Honest to goodness truth.
Yeah.
This is where the conversation will end today.
If me don't tell you. Before I tell you who the person is, can I just make my point known? You hear me? Are you hearing me?
Me not say another word until me hear who and when are we done.
So let me ask you something.
Don't ask me anything. As me say, another word until me hear who and where.
Can I say something before? Me don't say a top talk and so, but can I say something to you and you just hear me out before I say who the person is? Can I? I have never wanted to get this person involved. Because Basil, me know how vindictive and something you can be. And I don't want this person to be involved in a life like that. So I am asking you, please. Me not have to talk to the person again. Me not have to see the person again because we don't have a second relationship. Can I not say who it is and we just leave it as is?
I said no. I said no.
Can I ask another question?
No one of it. Answer the question. Answer the question. The next thing will come out of your mouth must be who and where. Of blood.
I don't think so.
Don't tell me. How me could I tell you? How me could I tell you?
Say him.
Eh? How me could I tell you?
Say him.
Eh? How me could I tell you?
I don't know.
Eh?
Because he has been getting at you.
Me don't know if I get at me. You can tell me.
I don't know.
You is the gate.
For your demise.
Yes.
Alright.
I know my demise now there, no. Sit down.
Alright.
Sit down.
Do you know say, may I work this thing and everything?
Sit down. You gonna be go in a car. So you wear a pretty dress. So you can see fancy dress and shave up. And I can't tell me about no, you never. And you know some vindictive, so
you
what
say
me?
it's never after. It was just a feel of something, no sex. I'm tell you that.
Not that there was a feel of something. Now that I see where my man did have heavy petting until you find say I treat her.
Yeah, Basil,
Imagine my wife.
Here, Basil, I am nothing.
My wife, yeah, me know.
Then you just said that.
My wife.
I said to you, I was in the car, we never have no sex.
What do you mean you
It
have no
was
sex? What do you mean? How you tell that? So how your dress so heavy and wet and full?
You never heavy and wet and full and no. Me said to you, say.
I don't do me attack. I don't do me attack.
Full of shit. Me said to you, say the only thing. Look here. Me said the only. Me said I had no sex. The only thing was that he put in and right here, so in my clothes, and maybe that's why you say that we never have. So me don't know where.
He put your hand right here, so in your clothes. What do you mean by that?
In my front. So that was it. What kind of thing?
What do you mean? Say, I know maybe you and him did their finger and feel up. And, don't tell me that.
In a car?
Yes, in a film car.
In a film car?
Yes, because the car is heavy.
In a little bit car?
In a little bit of car.
Okay.
Heavily rated.
Talk like Peter. You get born? No one simple something.